Hi, my name is Samad Sharma and I am from Dehradun. I studied at Brighton School in Dehradun and I want to pursue sports management in Coventry. So I got in touch with Zoom Abroad and which helped me to get a place on campus Coventry. So I wanted to pursue sports management abroad because I checked some universities in India and I could not find the courses up to my understanding and I could not understand if they were substantial for my future. But I found courses in Coventry in UK specifically, which would give me a lot of exposure and a lot of interest, which would help me later in my career. And these courses would help me in a way because also England is the hub of football and I am really into football. So I thought that if I could pursue my career in England, in United Kingdom, then my future would be pretty good in sports. I would like to study in the United Kingdom because, first of all, I have familiarity with the UK because members of my family have already studied in the UK and have had pleasant work conditions and study routines there. Other than that, UK gives me a 2 year permit to work after my course completes and a 1 year master's. And also, UK has football, which is my main aim to work in the football sector after my sports management. So that's why I chose UK over USA or Canada. The major process that I faced while when I first realized that I want to study abroad was basically, first of all, trying to figure out where I wanted to study, what I wanted to study, and how to understand that, how to apply to these colleges that there were, because the world is a big place and I could not understand where I want to apply, first of all. So the big challenges was even if I figured out that I want to pursue sports management, I could not figure out what was the right place for me and how I could reach that destination. I think Zoom Abroad gave me a lot of exposure. They helped me in achieving my goals by, first of all, telling me a huge plethora of colleges that I could have applied to for sports management and then giving comparisons according to my own specifications. They helped me throughout my application process in places where I could not understand or the places that I could not have achieved myself. And also, it was such a speedy process that the efficiency of work that Zoom Abroad had helped me a lot throughout my application. I would probably mention the one-to-one contact, the checking in, and the always keeping up with the work. Zoom Abroad always kept a check and always kept me updated as to what I had to do, how I had to do it, and how the things were happening. It gave me a whole idea of how the bigger scene works when it comes to applying colleges abroad, and even helped me with my visa process. Helped me try to figure out how I apply for the visa, what all I had to do, the national health surcharge payments. Everything was covered by Zoom Abroad, and Zoom basically, Mrs. Sunita helped me from the start to the beginning and to the end, and she is still there, and she still keeps in contact, which is amazing. It's just that the dedication that Zoom Abroad has is amazing. I think there isn't much that that can be done because you get help at each and every step of the way while you are applying or while you're trying to figure out where you want to go. Of documents so that the student could start preparing those documents beforehand. The only tip that I could give other students, aspiring students, would be to plan early, to have their plan ready in their mind that what they want to do, because it's a very time-taking process, a very elaborate process. And if they plan early, they can always make a way and make some bubble for those mistakes or those hurdles that can come in the way and tackle them with the right way. I think everyone has to be worried in these days because I mean the pandemic is probably not going anywhere in the near future, and I think life goes on and we have to keep going with our plans, because if we get scared and if we stay stuck home, then I don't think that would help us in our development in any way, be it the exposure or our degree. So I mean they are worried and I am also worried about my own safety, but the thing is that we have to keep striving forward and we have to move. I think the UK government has taken some amazing measures in their lockdown and in their ways to tackle the new strand. And I think at least when the vaccine is given out, there would be herd immunity in a way that the transmission of the virus would decrease. So that could help. And also the 10-day mandatory quarantine that has been introduced by the United Kingdom would also help in reducing the intake of the virus from the countries the students travel from. So I think so. I have completed my sports management degree, I would like to look out for options that I have. First of all, I have a 2-year work permit, but if I do not get any relevant options, I would probably come back. But if I can stay there and get some experience, relevant experience in the sports field, I would love to get the international exposure. After that, I would also like to pursue my master's, which UK gives me an amazing option of a 1-year master's. So I would probably want to pursue my master's in sports management. Sports in general make me think. I think sports is a section where when I start to get into it, I have a lot of questions. I get a lot of curiosity. So I think sports is a place where I think I'm most keen. So that's why I wanted to pursue something in sports. Whenever you play a sport, be it an individual sport or a team sport, it's always the feeling of you wanting to win. The feeling that you get when you have to, cross your own limits and try to, score that last goal, or maybe just go that bit faster so that you can get the fastest lap. I think it's all about those minor minutes, minor seconds, minor moments that you have that rush. I think that's what makes me most keen about sports. And other than that, I also have a lot of questions when it comes to sports, because as we know, sports in general there have been a lot of problems like gender inequality or racism. There have been questions in sports, and when it comes to F1, what's more important, the machine or the driver? I do get curious about these questions, so that's why I wanted to do something in sports. And even if I pursue a specific sport, I still want to be in the world where I can at least meet people that I can ask these questions and quench my curiosity that I had when I was younger. Actually, when someone wants to study abroad, it's all about the exposure, but also about the lifestyle there. UK had an amazing lifestyle, and I think I was really into it. I don't know how that works in with the new pandemic and the pandemic rules, but yeah, I would have loved to, experience the lifestyle that UK would have provided me, that Coventry or Birmingham would have provided me, and be it the nightlife or be it the beautiful locations that you could travel to.